The sky doesn't look like that, Mario. No, no, no.
No, it looks like this. So we're looking at a lot of blue sky overhead, and I'm so happy to report that because it has been a busy couple of days.
A busy week. I mean, we started with the eclipse on Monday. That was a huge high. Then we went straight into severe weather.
Straight into severe weather Monday night. That continued Tuesday, and even into yesterday, we had some flood issues. But now we can all take a deep breath, except if, you know, you're allergic to tree pollen. But I'm going to hold off on that for a second. Let's go ahead and show you what it looks like outside. I just wanted to show you the beautiful blue sky over Denton, 62 degrees. You can see the fans there. I call these UNT's biggest fans, haha, right? But really the windmills there on UNT's campus really going today. And it's because our winds are quite elevated today. And that'll be the case throughout the day. It's just going to be a breezy afternoon. 64 degrees right now at DFW. Winds out of the north at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. We're looking at drier air pushing in. So we were dealing with quite a bit of humidity earlier in the week. This north wind is helping kick a lot of that out of here. At the moment, a lot of temperatures, mainly in the mid 60s, and everyone sees the temperature climb today. We're talking about the low 70s for a big portion of North Texas. Just a beautiful day in store after a soggy first half of the week. 71 degrees by 2, 72 degrees between 4, 5, 6 in the evening. Okay, here's that pollen count. Oak, ash, poplar. Poplar, also known as cottonwood, and that'll be at a high count today. And it's because of that strong north wind. The trees are starting to dry out, and that's going to really give them a cue to start release pollen again. So we'll be noticing that not just today, but really through the rest of the week. High temperature today in Denton, 72 degrees, 71 for Decatur, about 74 in Fort Worth, and 73 in Dallas. Really, this is close to normal for this time of the year. We're just trending a couple of degrees cooler. Normal is about 75. We will see the temperature climb in the next few days. And radar right now looking completely clear because we are going to see changes coming early next week. All right, so our rain coverage next week, not any day really looks all that high, but we do have daily rain chances as early as Monday, and that's going to continue. As of now, looks to continue until next weekend. And unfortunately, severe storms may be possible on some of these days. We're still very much in springtime when we get these systems. And let me show you the earliest possibility for that. That's going to be Monday afternoon and evening. I'm going to pan out here because parts of North Texas, yes, under that slight risk for severe weather. That's level 2 out of 5, but parts of Texas into Oklahoma, they're under a 3 out of 5 under an enhanced risk. And this definitely has room to change, not just in coverage, but has room to change in location. So this is what we're thinking. There's a dry line that sets up on Monday. Very, very typical this time of the year. And that dry line is going to help bring up and develop some thunderstorms to our west. So we'll be able to track these storms as soon as they develop. But there's a few uncertainties still. Where that dry line is going to set up on Monday, still a bit questionable, and whether or not we'll have a strong cap in place. Remember, a cap is what limits thunderstorm development. So those two questions will be answered here in the days to come once we get a little bit more data coming in. But as of now, it does look like those storms start out well to our west Monday, 3, 4 in the afternoon before they progress into North Texas Monday evening and maybe into the overnight hours, depending on how much energy we're working with come Monday. But until then, go out and enjoy the weather, y'all. We're looking dry conditions. We're looking at 70s the next couple of days, 73 on Thursday, 79 on Friday. Now this weekend, the winds are going to pick up a tad. We'll see a little more cloud cover with highs in the 80s. And then next week, we start really an unsettled pattern with daily rain chances, daily storm chances, and highs mainly in the 80s. And that's going to continue through next week as well.